Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Litecoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Before I get started, from a disclosure perspective, I am long Litecoin, so just keep that in mind. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours worth of time. So while this here may look like past few months broken down, it's actually just the past few weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I let you this time frame thing does a good job telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And given that cryptocurrencies are open 24/7 from a presentation standpoint, it just allows me to present a video that is going to remain relevant for more than just a few hours. I just talk about the kind of the overall levels, and by talking about those overall levels, which again the 4-hour allows me to do, it just it keeps the chart relevant, which, if I'm going to spend my time and effort doing this, I don't want the video to become irrelevant, after a couple hours. So with that being said, a couple things here that I want to get into place. And the first thing is, and I think I did this video a couple days ago, but I can't remember. But regardless though, the key thing that continues to make itself known, in fact it did just within the past several hours, is that purple line right there, which is the famous 50 period simple moving average. Even if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50 period, and you know that when the price is below it, it does tend to act as resistance, and that's exactly what's been happening. You can see right here, price actually did temporarily get above it, but that didn't last very long. Price fell below it. You can see a direct rejection there, direct rejection there, rejection there, rejection there. You get the point. So that 50 period right now is definitely a very key technical area on the chart, and the one where, if the bulls are going to get any sort of continued upwards price movement, the price has got to fight through that purple line there, because that is very clearly the area that's been knocking down the price. So that is without doubt the key level of resistance going forward. As far as supports, the key level to keep an eye on is that trend line right there, which so far so good. By using this point here and then this one right there, you can see a good job, or did a good job of forecasting where that area of support was. And going forward, from the bullish perspective, so myself included, from somebody that over time wants to see this continue to hold, ideally I want to see this hold above the orange line. Now I'm more of an investor than some sort of trader, so if it breaks below the orange line, it is what it is. But for more of a trading perspective, in the event the price does break through that orange line, then at that point, it would not be shocking to see the price at all roll down to right around the 160 mark. But to give the bulls full credit, so far so good. The price is maintaining above that orange line, and you do want to see that continue to happen going forward. But space is running out, so eventually the price is going to need to make up its mind. It's either going to get a breakout to the upside of the purple line or a breakdown to the downside of the trend line, but it's just kind of a wait and see situation, so we'll see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.